from the video before, I am doing a bag switch. So this is a bag switch and unboxing all in one. Okay, so I'm putting her up. I don't want to, but I need to carry a little bit of more things now that I'm out of school and I'm not putting things in my backpack. And that's really what let me know that this bag is a little too small. It's like when I carried it and I wasn't carrying it with my backpack, because a lot of things I would just throw into my backpack. But now that I have this little summer break before fall semester, it's just a little too small. I can't hold all my stuff. So you guys know, like from the video before, I didn't carry that much stuff. So we're gonna say bye-bye to this girl and we're going to unbox anew. So I was wearing the like maroon burgundy pom-pom. We're going to switch it up and we're going to give it a little fresh feel, because I think like I'm so fall ready with the colors that I put this on a little prematurely. But I love, you know, my little maroon burgundy pom-pom. We're putting her up too. So we're going to add this one, which I feel is like fresh, and yeah, it's very summery, and we're going to put that on here. It does not have a like actual attachment, so you have to have something to hook this onto, because the way it is set up, it doesn't have a loop, so it just has the leather loop, and I just attach it to my hand sanitizer, and there we go. I'm going to be switching out the Florentine Kiss Block into this little, just literally this came from the Dollar Tree and I stole it from my daughter, and I thought like this would be cute, like very visible in the bag, and it's holding lip stuff, so, and my little travel perfume, so it's not going to matter. Okay, and then I have everything else sitting here. Okay, oh, you saw my face. Woo! Maybe edit that out, maybe not. So the bag, if you saw the title, you saw what bag. I do not know which one this is because I ordered, they were on a good sale and I got like the coupons off, and so I didn't pay that much. So yeah, and we're gonna get into it. Let me just unbox it, and then I already took the shipping label off, and the only thing that I did do was cut this tape. As you can see, guys, it's bulging, and I know that a lot of people have been complaining about how the bags have been coming, and this did come from my local outlet, about 20 minutes away from me. So we're going to see, because if it's not up to quality, I'm taking this right down the street and returning it, because, or you know, exchanging it for a great quality. The box is kind of beat up, as you can see, and it's bulging out. So I hope they didn't stuff this bag and put like creases and all that other nonsense. Like, if I'm paying money, just package my stuff right. Like, send it to me, you know. Like, this was not FedEx. This was the outlet. This was Fossil, okay, who did this, because it's bulging, and they taped it, you know, tried to tape it shut as best as they could, but it is like already bulging out. So yeah, hopefully it is, and it's literally, the outlet's like 20, like literally 20 minutes for me. I should have just got my butt up, but I work too much for that. So we're gonna open it up. Well, I'll put a nice Fossil box. You know, this is your receipt. You guys don't need to see that. Here we go. And a little story time. So this is my second purchase from Fossil. I think I made a purchase in the beginning of 2020. So it was probably after lockdown. and I really wanted this satchel. They were all sold out, or I believe one was sold out, and then the other one I did not want to pay the price that they were asking. So they had some of the PVC textured bags on sale, so I got 2 of them. Have since given them away. I think one was a Rachel, and then the other one was a Sydney. So I got 2 different styles. I have given them away to my sister to put into her collection, and she is wearing her Fossil bag out. Okay, she loves that bag. It looks good on her, perfect size, and it was just nice to give them to her, and so she can have some nice bags. They just did not. One was like one was for her, so I bought it for her. It was like a maroony, like snake skin, and I would have loved to get the one that I had, but they only had one, and I thought like that would be perfect as a Christmas gift. And then the one that I had, it was white with black snake skin, which is my style, but it just it didn't make the cut. So I gave that to her recently. So hopefully you're enjoying the bag, sis. So here we are. It is not wrapped in package, so this is not a brand new bag, and I might be taking it back. Yeah, because I don't play. I spend my money. I want a wrapped bag. If I'm ordering online, it needs to be wrapped. Okay, so I may be sending this one back. So they did wrap it with paper. This is the navy color. So this has no, yeah, this one's going to be going back. I'm going to be exchanging this one because it's unacceptable. Someone could have returned this bag. No, ma'am. No. No. As you can see, no. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all those dents and bends and all those things. Hell no. Hell no. This is a fail. Guys, this is a fail. Look how they have the zipper. Fossil, is this okay? Is this okay, Fossil? To be sending bags like this? This is the back. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. None. Oh, hell no. There's scratch marks. There's dirt. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's dirt. Some of this bag. Yes. It has scratch marks. I don't know if you guys can see with my camera. But yeah. But one of them has actually like this one. I'll show you. There's like dirt. Yeah. There it go. No. This is going back. So I'll show you guys it. But it's going back. Look at the front. Look at the front. Zippers all, y'all just stuffed, literally stuffed this bag in here. I may be making a trip later, but yeah, no. Ain't no need to really show you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. No, ma'am. I don't even want to take it out because I'm taking it back. So, it's going back, you guys. Yes, it's going back. Yeah. there's some crust or something on it too, right here. Show you guys. It's literally like right. I don't know if you can see it on my, but there's a little, yep, right there, a little white crusty spot. Don't know what that is. Yeah, there's definitely some wear on this bag. Yeah, no. So, this could have been a display or something, but no ma'am. And this is a navy color. All those dents. And I mean, what do you guys think? It has a tag on it. Eco leather. What y'all think? I just like no wrapping, no nothing, so I know that it has been touched and ran through. Okay, guys. Am I being petty, or am I, you know, hoping and wishing it came from an outlet store? Let's take the stuff out. Let's look around. Let's do that. But Fossil, you gonna hear it from me. And I ain't playing. You gonna hear it from me, okay? Because I have 2 more bags coming. And if they all come like this, I'm gonna be pissed. At least give me one from the bag, baby. Because when I go to return them, I'm getting ones that are packaged up. Okay, from the bag. So. Okay, here's the strap. As you can see, no wrapping. You just stuffed it in there. So, take the wrapping out. We put quite a bit of stuff in here. So, here's what we're looking like. No. No, ma'am. We ain't trying. We looked at it, but there's a crusty spot on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, right there on that pocket. It's dark and it's got crust or something on it. Yeah, no. We're putting you're putting the shit back. No, ma'am. I'm sorry, guys. Fossil fail. Mama is sending this, taking this back. So my other ones are supposed to show up tomorrow, so I'm just going to wait it out. Let's put her back. We're gonna zip her up, get her together. I love how when you go to put stuff back, you don't ever go back the way you want it to. Oh, okay. Boom. Bam. Let's wrap her back up. Send her back to the stove, because no ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. Oh. Put that back. No ma'am. There we go. That's her. Guys, I'm gonna wait for the other ones to come tomorrow. See what quality they are. I may do a video on it, so you guys can see. But I guess I gotta choose another bag to switch into. I was really hoping that this one would have worked, but no ma'am. It's going back to sender. So Fossil, stop playing. When I spend my coin, I expect my stuff to come a certain way. I don't care if it comes from the outlet. I know the outlet bags come new. So why didn't I get a new bag? I ordered online. I didn't walk up in the store. Even then, I'm requesting a bag from the back. Don't play. Do not play. I could have waited. If this was the quality, I would have waited for my bag. Okay? You playing too much, Fossil. I don't like my money playing to be played with, okay? You got 2 more times. You got two more times, Fossil, to mess with me. So guys, I'm sorry about that, but we're going to wrap her back the fuck up and send her back to where she came from. And depending on the quality, I may not keep the bag. I really wanted it because of the size. It has a zipper, because you guys know I like my throw it in totes, but I actually like my nice satchels too. So I'm sorry that they weren't up to par, and that's a Fossil problem. And get your outlets together, because no ma'am. Nope. Sorry. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.